Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics, where we are making it a math genius. And since we have completed chain rule, let's try to look at implicit function. This is another subtopic on calculus differentiation. Now, the most interesting part on implicit differentiation, we say if a function like if you have y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 5. We call this one as explicit function. The reason being because you can easily separate y with x easily. But like if you have a function like xy is equal to xy plus 2x squared plus 4, we call this one as implicit function. Whenever you are here to or you are unable to separate y with respect to x, we call that function as implicit. Okay, now let's look at example 1 and see. And if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Let's get on to the problem that we are given now. It reads if 2x cubed plus y square is equal to 3, then we have to find dy upon dx. But the most interesting part also here, we respect y here. We always respect y. Whenever you are differentiating y, we add there dy upon dx. It is constant something. Differentiating y, you always make sure that you add dy upon dx. Okay, now let's get on to the problem and see. We say solution. Okay, now since we are given 2x cubed plus 5y square is equals 3. This is what we are given, and we have to find dy upon dx. Now let's differentiate. We know in normal differentiation, 2x cubed, differentiating to x cubed, we are going to have this is 12x square, 6x square. Okay, this is 6x square in normal differentiation. Okay, then we say plus this is 5y square. Differentiating 5y square giving you 10y. But like the rule says, whenever we are differentiating y, we should add there dy upon dx. We add dy upon dx. This is equal. Differentiating a constant, it is 0. Now what are we to do? We want to find dy upon dx. We try to collect our like terms. Then if you do, we say this becomes, we say this is 10y dy upon dx becomes, this is 0. When this 6x square moving, we are going to have minus 6x square. Then we have 10y. We say dy upon dx. Then this becomes 0 minus 6x square giving you 6x square. Then what are we to do? We just need to divide both sides by 10y. We divide both sides by 10y by 10y because we want to get rid of, we want to make dy upon dx the subject because that is exactly what we asked to find. Then this cancel this one. Then what remains, we can see it continues from this point. Now we have dy upon dx, then becomes 6x square. It becomes now 6x square divided by 10y. But we know 2 is common here, so let's use 2 to divide for us to have our final answer. Then from this, we see how many times 2 goes into 6, it is 3 times, and how many times 2 goes into 10, it is 5 times. Then we say our dy upon dx automatically becomes, this is 3x square divided by 5y. So this is what we have to find. This is negative. Okay, so this is what we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Hope to see the next examples on implicit function.